some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll. Hello again to all my friends. Together we can play some rock and roll.
Hey YouTube, it's Sunside T here, and I'm coming back to you with item tutorial number 2. Today we're going to cover how to make tools, making a tool material, and adding a smelting recipe, and then re-obfuscating. So first we're going to do making tools. I'll have everything on a pastebin file, but for now I'm just going to use this notepad file. So you're going to want to copy this part, the public static finals, and put them up here with the rest. And as you can see, I did a little cleaning up around here. So basically what you're going to want to do is do like you normally would. And yes, you do have to make a different file for the sword. And we will probably go over that next time. You don't have to make a new file for the sword, but it gives you a lot more customization options. So basically what you're going to want to do is, this is your item name, and then you put whatever your item is: item pickaxe, item spade, item axe, item hoe, item sword. This, as always right here, is your item ID number, and this is what material your tool is. So basically, for each tool you're going to make a different tool material name. So for now I'm just using .cocorb, and then your item name like always. So then you're going to want to do oh wow, I screwed that up. You're going to want to make names for all this, and I will cut back to you when I've added the names for all of them. So see you in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I have added names for all of these, and now we need to add overrides for all of them. So I'm just going to copy this because I really don't want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you're going to want to change this, like always. Same thing as when you're making an item. Let's just name it Cocoa Pick for now. And I'll cut back to you after I have finished all this. Okay, we're back. All of that's done. You just do it the same as you normally would for any other item. Now we go down and add the recipes. The recipes are right here. Basically, if you copy all this in, it just uses the typical recipes, and you can change these to whatever you would like. And I need to change this to and I guess I'll just change all this to item.stick. I'm not going to cut this because this won't take very long at all. Okay, I guess that's everything. Now all the recipes are in. That's all you really need to change here, so go ahead and save it. And then next on the list is how to make an enum tool material. So take whatever you typed here for enum tool material dot and copy it. Copy. Then right here, if you mouse over it, it'll come up for this, and then you just click Open Declaration, and it'll open up the enum tool material. The other way you can do it is go in here, Client, Source, net.minecraft.source, and then find it in this list of files. That's right there. So what you're going to do is take this semicolon right here off and make it a comma. And then down below gold, you're going to want to paste what you copied, do a, what are these, parentheses, quotation marks, and then paste what you copied in again. After the quotation marks, you're going to do comma, and then you're going to do 5, which is the ID for enum tool material, comma, you're going to want to do 3, which is basically telling it what it can break, because gold and wood are 0. They can both only break coal and stone. Stone is 1, so it can break iron 2. Iron is 2, so it can break diamond and redstone. And emerald is diamond, and it's 3, so that it can break obsidian also. So if you set this to 3, it can break obsidian and anything else that's a natural block in the game. The next number is how many hits it can take, like what the damage is. So iron is 250, emerald, which is diamond, is 1,561, stone is 131, wood is 59, and gold is 32. For now, we'll set this to, I don't know, 2,000, just to be fair. The number F is how fast it mines, so wood is 2, stone is 4, iron is 6, emerald is 8, and gold is 12, because it's the fastest. I don't know, let's just make this 11. And it has to be a capital F. After that, I'm pretty sure this is just restating what it can break, so just to be safe, put 3 here again. And then you're going to want to put a semicolon at the end. And save all of that. And those should all fix themselves. That code's in here, right here. If you need it, I will put it up in the item tutorial. Now we're going to talk about how to add the smelting recipe, because our tools are now done. Next tutorial, if I'm not doing something different, I'll go into how to set the sword to be a little more specific, but for now, this will do. Basically what you're going to do for smelting, I'm just going to go ahead and put another thing in here for smelting recipes. And for those of you who don't know anything about Java, is that misspelled? No, okay, I don't know what's wrong with that. But for anybody that doesn't know anything about Java, when you do a double slash like this, it excludes this line. So the code isn't actually reading that, it's just something to help me see where everything is. It makes everything look a lot nicer. And that should not be in there. It should. Okay, this is going to bother me, so I'm going to have to change this. Cut. And then it's going to have to go here. That would have bothered me extremely. Anyways, smelting recipes, the code will be on the file, and I'm going to put this all in one file this time since it's just little snippets of code. But basically, you put it and you get mod loader add smelting, saying add smelting recipe, and then mod underscore whatever you want, or whatever your mod thing, wherever your item is located. And then this is what goes in the top. This is what you put in it. A new item stack. This right here is what gets outputted. So this is what gets outputted when you smelt this. And this number right here is how many get outputted. So right now let's just turn it to 16 so that we can test all the tools once we smelt one. Or 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's make it, 16 just to be safe. That should be everything, so we'll save all. Should be good. You don't have to make an item file for any of the tools because it's calling on the regular item files. So now we'll go to our folder, wherever it is, it's right there. We're going to recompile, and I will show you how to get the class files so that you can give out your mod, since I know a lot of people have been asking for that. So yeah, this is going to probably be a longer tutorial, but it shows a lot, at least I think it does. Well, if this would ever recompile. There we go. Seems to take longer when I'm recording. I guess that's because I'm recording and it's using memory or something like that. But I was going to ask, do you like it the way I do it, where I insert the code, or would you like me to go ahead and have the code in there and just explain what everything does? Post a comment, let me know. I've been getting lots of error reports. See this? This is the error report that I need. I don't want the error report out of here, because it's a lot harder to read. If you can give me this error report, it is a lot easier for me to read. And this is basically saying I forgot to put the item files in. Of course I did. So I guess I'll open this up. And figure out where these are. Is this all of them? I guess I have to rename all these now. That was bad. Where'd the rename? There we go. Rename. Okay, that should be everything. Now, I guess we have to... I can't remember if you have to recompile again. I don't think you have to recompile when you add in images, but I'll try it. I think you only have to recompile when you, yeah, you only have to recompile when you actually change files. Oh, there's a bar right here. Oh, darn. I forgot to change something. Yeah, that would have been bad. So I need to open up our block cocore and change this to block ID and change that back to where it drops itself. Okay, that should be better. Now I guess I have to recompile again. It shouldn't take as long this time since I just changed one little line. But I don't know, because you really can never tell. Also, nobody has sent me a statue of Coco yet. So if you're working on that, get it done. I'd like for it to be done somewhat quickly, because it takes a long time to code those things, because it requires a lot of lines of code. I mean, a whole lot. So hopefully this will work now. We know that that will drop itself now. So I guess I just need to dig down and... Yeah, I have wood. Oh wait, I don't have enough wood. I guess I should probably turn this music down. It's probably really loud to you. Let's just do this so that I get better frames, because it's really laggy right now. And usually Start Client is a lot more laggy than regular Minecraft. So let's just be idiots and dig straight down and hope there's no lava below us. And that's enough. Now we should plot this down right here, make a furnace. Put this in the top. And see, it's burning this, and it should give us 16 chocolate bars. Yep. Do I have any sticks? Okay, good, I do. So obviously there's the sword. That works very effectively for bulk crafting a set of tools. It gets everything but the axe for you. Basically now, it's very fast. And I'm just kind of showing all this off. So yeah, that's that. And I think with the settings, yeah, it is a one-hit kill. So I'm going to show you real quick how to re-obfuscate. And you use this control right here. It's re-obfuscate and run. And this will probably take a little bit to run because it has to turn all of your Java files into class files. So yeah, we've covered how to make tools, do the enum tool material, and do a smelting recipe this time. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing next time. This is the last planned tutorial I had, so I'll probably start taking the suggestions from the voting box. So be sure to vote for your favorite, and yeah, submit any ideas you have. So once it finishes re-obfuscating, you click on the re-ob folder and then go into the Minecraft folder. And all you have to do is move this and mod loader into your Minecraft.jar, and the tutorial will work. That's all for today, so I will see you later.